Picked up this John Deere tractor in Waterloo, Iowa. It is heading down to Southwest Georgia. Got this pallet. I just have some straps over it. They come down to the trailer. A few hundred pounds, maybe 1,000, I don't know. Nothing has weights on it on the BOL. And for securement on the tractor itself, I have one chain with 2 binders that just come down to the trailer on either side. The machine itself is about 10 foot wide. So on this side, I just got the outside of that hub. So I got a flag on that. And we got the turbo saver exhaust cover on it. 348R. And at the back of the trailer, front of the tractor, I have 2 chains, 2 binders that go into an X around the securement point on the axle. I have a piece of cut strap in between the 2 chains where they make an X that are not touching. And it just comes down to a binder. And I got the set of duals. And it's all the same on this other side. The only difference is we have this step that sticks out. So I have a flag on that. And then the hub for the dually, got another flag on there. And to get rid of the loose chain in the middle, I just have a bungee. Heavy load, but light as air. Dusty mountain trails untold. Chasing dreams without a care. With these tractors, they're all fairly simple. Sunrise paints the sky with gold. Engines roar the song at home. Pedal down and I feel bold. Endless highway on the run. Sunrise paints the sky with gold. Engines roar the song at home. Pedal down and I feel bold. Endless highway on the run. All I do is drive all day, trucking through in every way. Long haul life in heavy load. Freedom's found on every road. Shadows dance, moonlight whispers tales of fate. Every mile a second chance, rolling forward, never wait. Cab's my home and wheels my plane. Journey calls and I'm the man. Gravity will weigh me down. On this path I wear my crown. Drive all day, tracking through in every way. Long haul life and heavy load. Freedom's found on every road. All I do is drive all day, trucking through in every way. Long haul life and heavy load. Freedom's found on every road. Tales of fate. Every mile a second chance, rolling forward, never wait. Freedom's found on every road. I just finished up my pre-trip this morning. I am in Effingham, Illinois. Got a little bit of snow yesterday. But got the pre-trip finished. Everything's looking pretty good. No issues. Everything is
nice and covered in snow. That kind of created an early day for me yesterday. I had to stop a little early. Roads were getting a little icy, a little slick, which is always fun. Oh shit, that was a chunk of ice.
20 minutes in a moment for a lifetime. You were driving through the ocean inside of my head. I could tell it was your eyes that made the sun shine, and I could stay inside the moment until I was there. It's true, it's true, it's true what they say about you. Oh, it's true, it's true, it's true the things they say about you. That night my head was filled with thunder and every emotion. Could make an animal of anyone just being with you. And I was thinking maybe this is it, I'm no longer lonely. It's true, it's true, it's true what they say about you. It's true, it's true, it's true the things they say that you do. It's true, it's true, it's true, it's true what they say about you. It's true, it's true, it's true the things they say that you do.
This is beautiful. I'm a little bit south of Effingham. Apparently it snowed a little heavier down here, so parking when I did yesterday was smart. It was starting to get a little slick and icy just before Effingham, and when I got parked, looked at radar, it was looking a little bit heavier to the south. So definitely glad I parked when I did. But this is pretty. I enjoy looking at the snow. I think they're a beautiful scene.
All I need is just to live one last night. Tired of being in hell all alone. All I need is just to cross the red lights. What we need is just damage. Everything is just down on the upside.
Finally out of Illinois. Now I can cross Kentucky. Should be pretty simple. Got a little bit of a detour up here by Calvert City. I got to go out across by the Kentucky Dam. There's road work on the bridge on 24, so I have to take a little bit of a detour, but it's not bad. It's like 5 miles. Takes me right next to the dam. Beautiful area, nice little drive. That's the fun part of trucking with an oversized load. Get some back roads, some small roads, get a lot of time off the interstate, get to take the scenic route sometimes. Always fun. That's one of the things I like about oversized, is some of the routes, getting to go different places like that. Some unique challenges sometimes driving some of those roads, but it's worth it. I enjoy it. Trucking can be a love-hate relationship. It kind of a joke. I'm in an abusive relationship with the trucking industry.
Wheels humming down the highway, so fast, so strong. Every town, every city, we can't stay too long. Sunset in the mirror, bright like a blaze. Running miles and miles in an endless craze. Truck stops and diners, a smile and a wave. Coffee that's stronger than the strength we crave. Stories from strangers and faces unknown. Each one's a part of our home, sweet home. RGN across the USA. No maps, no plans, just the road today. From dawn to dark we roam these lands. America's dreams in our weather hands. Mountains rise like giant shadows they cast. Deserts stretch forever, the journey's so vast. Cities shimmer with their neon glow. Every mile tells stories that only we know. Lonely highways under a blanket of stars. Gas station lights and our beat up guitars. Music and laughter in the heart of night. Keep us rolling on till the morning light. RGN across the USA. No maps, no plans, just the road today. From dawn to dark we roam these lands. America's dreams in our weather hands. must go away. That's how we play. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move all night long? The dance goes on. I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. All night long, we got it going and the dance goes on. We got it going and I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We wanna go on our own. We wanna go night and day. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? With your body. With your body.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I